Tutorial 16. Let's start a new sketch on top plane, and let's take the next feature in the sketch menu, the offset entities. To use offset entities, we have to create a sketch. So let's create rectangle, center point rectangle, and let's make fillet. Okay, so let's activate offset, and the offset is making is duplicating the existing sketch, making some sketch parallel or offset to it. And here you have the option add a dimension or to reverse the offset place, or by directional you can create sketch on both sides. So let's change the offset to be 2 millimeter, and okay, so you have created your offset. So it is time saving. You don't need all the time to create an offset. If you wanted, you can just use the offset entities. Now you can make an offset from one of these sketches or offset sketches. Let's uncheck the bidirectional and make base construction. Okay, so when you check it, the base construction, it make the original sketch to be for construction, and that one that you made, the one you will be used. So in the offset, you can create an offset and delete or make the original one as construction and start working with the new offset sketch.